Going everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today we're going to be replacing a speaker on a Sony MDR 950-BT. So to get started, we're going to have to take this ear pad off. So it's simply held around on the edges so you can pry up and it'll just pop right out. Place that to the side. Next we're going to have 4 Phillips head screws all right there. So once you unscrewed those 4, you can just lift the speaker housing up and out. Careful not to pull too hard. It is soldered in right here with those 2 points. Here we're going to need to grab some flux. Put a little bit of flux on the 2 points. Flux isn't necessary, but it just makes for an easier and cleaner job when soldering. Next, grab your soldering iron, and I like to grab some tweezers just to hold the wires for me. So grab the wire, and remember these positions. It's going to be copper pointing up and red going down. So unsolder that. You can go ahead, place this to the side, and grab your screws out of there, which you can do. Put the screws to the side. Put your speaker housing to the side to recycle later. Next, we're going to need to grab our new speaker housing with speaker assembly. And again, this is copper is going to go on the upper point up here, and red's going to go on the lower point. And we just solder that back. Now that you've soldered that, there is going to be a pin that aligns, and the easiest way to tell how to align this is this notch right here. We'll have to line up with this notch cut out, and it just slips right in. Then look around, make sure there's a nice seal all around, and we can put the 4 screws back into place. I'll just drop them in. Careful around the magnet. The speaker has a magnet in it, and it could pull the screw in, which could possibly damage your speaker, so just be cautious of that. Once you've screwed all of those into place, you can grab your ear muff. There's going to be a notch up here, right there, and if you look into your speaker, you see that notch right about there. This notch on the ear pad should go into that notch right there. So you just align it. This seal, if you call it, is going to go around this, and you just work it around. So once you get the notch lined up, you just keep working your way around it, pulling it and seating it over. Next, kind of give it a wiggle to ensure it's not going to spin. If you positioned it on the notch, it should be good to go. And there you have it. You just did a speaker change on a Sony MDR 950-BT. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on products, how to repair, some reviews. Leave a like down below. Any questions, comment section down below. If you need any of the parts or tools used in this video, again, link down below. Go to our website. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and have a phenomenal day.